Here are the 9 best baby gates, counting down to the one I'd actually buy. But the mistake is buying the gate that looks sturdy, then hating it every time you're holding laundry and a wiggly baby. The fix isn't just height or metal, it's doorway shape, one-hand flow, and installation pain. Match the opening first, then judge the latch. A great gate you curse daily is the wrong gate. Let's move. Number 9. Midwest Homes. This is the budget-feeling pick I'd only consider for a low-friction spot you don't cross constantly. It fits standard-ish openings, about 29.5-inch-38 WX29H, so picture a basic doorway rather than a giant open-plan room. The useful part is the simple wood and metal build, which can make sense if you want something plain and temporary. But the daily trade-off is the opener, because difficult open and close gets old fast when your hands are full. I'd skip it for stairs, busy kitchen paths, or any doorway you use all day. If the gate becomes the chore, you've bought the wrong chore. Number 8. Regalo Super Wide. Got a weird wide opening where a normal doorway gate just looks silly? This is the one I'd look at for a living room boundary or play yard style setup, because it stretches to about 192-inch WX28H. That means it's playing a different role than most gates here. Instead of guarding one doorway, it's more like shaping a room. But the trade-off is the walk-through experience, because the opening is narrow for something this wide. I'd skip it if adults need to pass through constantly, especially with groceries, laundry baskets, or a baby carrier. Big coverage is useful, but daily traffic still wins. Number 7. Cumbor 55-inch wide retractable. This is the pick for buyers who want a cleaner-looking gate when the opening is wide. The retractable mesh design can feel less permanent than a rigid barrier in the room. It's about 55-inch WX34H size suits wider openings while keeping the look lighter. That is the appeal. But the trade-off is the two-hand open routine. That can slow you down in a busy doorway. If you often carry a child, bottle, or basket, that extra step matters. Skip it where fast one-hand movement matters more than the disappearing look. Number 6. Regalo Easy Step Walk-Thru. This is the straightforward gate I'd point at when the opening is modest and the budget needs to stay sane. It covers about 29-inch-38.5 WX30H, so think normal doorways, not odd angles, or a wide family room. The proof point is the walk-through concept itself. You want to pass without removing the whole thing every time. But the trade-off shows up before daily life even starts, because assembly is a lot. I'd skip it if you hate fiddly setup, or if your home has awkward trim that makes simple gates less simple. For the right doorway, it's practical. For the wrong doorway, it's a project. Number 5. Summer Decorative. Here's the gate I'd choose when the doorway is part of your main living space, not a back hallway nobody sees. It spans about 36-inch-60 WX32H, which puts it in that wider doorway zone where a cheap-looking gate can dominate the room. The appeal is simple. It locks in place and looks more intentional than the purely utilitarian options. But the trade-off is that you're paying attention to appearance, not just brute practicality. I'd skip it if you only need a temporary utility gate for a basement door or laundry room. In a visible space, though, looking decent actually matters. Number 4. Summer Infant Extra Tall. If your toddler treats furniture like a climbing gym, this is the one I'd consider before the standard height picks. It's about 28-inch-48 WX36H, so the height is the headline, not the width. That extra tall feel is the reason it belongs this high for parents with adventurous little climbers. But the trade-off is the opening, which is narrow at about 19-inch. That can feel tight if you're moving through with a diaper bag or carrying a sleepy kid. I'd skip it for doorways adults cross constantly, unless height matters more than easy passage. This is a specialist, not a universal answer. Number 3. Toddleroo Deluxe Décor. This is the gate I'd consider for an opening that is not really a doorway. The panel layout handles awkward angles without forcing a straight line. It's about 38.3 inch-72 WX30 H range, gives you room around fireplaces, wide transitions, or weird trim. That helps when regular gates leave gaps or look forced. But the key trade-off is that it doesn't lock. So think of it as room shaping, not a latch-heavy pass-through. Skip it if you need a locking doorway gate for constant opening and closing. For strange spaces, it is one of the most useful designs here. Number 2. Summer Deluxe Stairway. For stairs, I wouldn't mess around with a casual pressure fit mindset, and this is the stair-focused pick. It hard mounts, looks nice, and covers about 30 inch-48 WX32 H, which fits many stairway-style openings without screaming utility hardware. The practical win is that the opening can be as wide as the space, so adults aren't squeezing through a tiny pass-through. But the trade-off is installation effort, because hard mounting means commitment and more careful placement. I'd skip it if you're renting, moving soon, or unwilling to put holes where the brackets need to go. For a stairway setup, though, this is the serious choice. Number 1. Safety First Easy Walk-Thru. This is the one I'd actually buy for most homes, because it balances cost, stability, and daily convenience without getting too clever. It fits about 38 inch WX28 H, with a 22 opening that feels more normal than the tighter pass-throughs lower on the list. The lock indicator is the useful everyday detail, because it gives you a quick visual check instead of guessing after a rushed close. But the trade-off is that it's still a standard doorway gate, not the answer for stairs, awkward angles, or huge open rooms. I'd skip it if your layout needs hard mounting or extra wide coverage. For normal daily doorways, this is the cleanest pick. If it's a normal doorway, I'd start with safety first. For stairs, move to Summer Deluxe Stairway. For awkward angles, Toddleroo makes more sense. For huge spaces, Regalo Super Wide is the niche pick, but accept the narrow pass-through. Before you buy, measure the actual opening, check whether drilling is acceptable, and picture your busiest trip through that gate. Prices and configurations change, so check before you buy. So pick safety first for most doorways, Summer Deluxe for stairs, Toddleroo for weird angles, and Regalo Super Wide for room boundaries. Match the gate to the daily path, not just the box photo. Links are in the description.